In this video we are going to demonstrate how to start off the ECP treatment. First of all, you fasten up the patient with calves, thighs, and on the upper thighs, the calves basically, and the three chest leads. One is here, you can see LL, RA, LA, three chest. After connecting the three chest leads, you connect the patient with a pulse plethysmograph on the finger, any of the finger, and then when you start the console, you get this screen. When you press the start button, valves get started. You can listen to the voice, and you can see on the screen the dummy ECG is coming. By pressing this button, patient ECG is coming, and by pressing this button, now pulse plethysmograph is also coming. You can adjust the amplitude of the ECG and pulse if required. For some patient it's very low, very small, so you can increase the amplitude of the ECG from here. You can see here, now the bigger ECG is coming. Similarly for pulse, if required, you can adjust. After setting off these parameters, by default auto adjust is off. You can press this button to set the auto adjust on. Now you can start off the pump. You can start the counter now. After the session will be over, pump will go off. This meter shows the pressure. It is in mercury millimeter. Augmented diastolic waveform and the pressure is directly proportional to each other. You can see on the screen here that augmented diastolic waveform is low as the pressure is low. Now we will slightly increase it and see the correlation between the two. Keep the P+ button pressed till you get the desired level of the pressure. From 170 we are taking it to almost 300. Yes, we are almost there. And now you see the augmented diastolic waveform. It is bigger than the original waveform, which is quite good. Now it shows the pulse height rate. It's the height rate of original waveform and the height rate of waveform created by the machine. Inflate time and deflate time are being adjusted automatically by the software as you have switched on the auto adjust. This is how you start off the treatment. To finish off the treatment, first you have to switch off the pump. Wait for pressure to come to near about 0. Wait for few seconds. Yes. Now we can stop the valve also by again pressing the start button. Now you can switch off the machine from here.